Today start process and processors in distributed systems implementation. First one is threads. If the file servers had multiple multiple threads of control, a second threads and control run while the first one was sleeping. The analogy thread is to process as process is to machine holds in many ways all the threads share the same address space, the same set of open files, child process, timers and signals extra. Three process with one process with the three threads per threads and per process concept. Threads usage, consider the file server examples. The dispatcher, the threads readers incoming request for work from the system's mailbox. After examining the request, it choose an ideal worker thread and hand it the request. If there is absence of threads, the server is ideal while waiting for the disk and does not process any other request. A third possibility is to run the server as a big finite state machine. The finite state machine approach achieve high performance through parallelism but use non-blocking calls and thus is hard to program. Three organization of threads is threads in a process. Three way of constructed servers. In team model case, a job queue can be maintained with pending work kept in the job queue. With this organization, a thread should first check job queue before looking in the system mailbox. Threads are the frequently useful for clients. One thread is dedicated full time to waiting for signals. When a signals comes in, it walks up and process the signal. Thus use threads can eliminate the needed for use level interrupts. A properly designed program that users threads should work equally well on a single CPU. That time sharing the threads or one or two multiprocessors, so the software issues are pretty much the same either ways. Design issues for thread package. A set of primitives, for examples library calls, which is available to the user relating to threads, is called a threads package. With a static design, the choice of how many threads there will be is made when the program is written or when it is compiled. A more general approach is to allow threads to be created and destroyed dynamically during executions. Metrics are used to short-term looking, mostly for guarding the entry to critical regions. Conditions variables are used for long-term, long waiting until a resource becomes available. Looks Montex check data structures while resource busy. Wait conditions variable mark resource as busy. Unlock Motex lock Motex mark resources as a free. Unlock wake up condition available. Use of motexes and condition variables. Local variable and parameters does not cause any trouble, but variable that are global to a thread but not global to the entire program can cause difficulty. Conflict between threads over the use of a global variable. Various solutions to this problem are possible. The private global variable ultra together to assign each threads is one private global variables. New New library procedures can be introduced to create, set and read these thread-wide global variables. Create global put up for tr setup global put global implementation of thread package. There are two ways to implementation a threads package in user space and in the kernel. User level thread package managed by the kernel. User level threads have some advantage. Thread switching is faster than trapping to the kernel. It allows each process to have its own customized algorithm. It scales better since kernel threads invariably require some table space and stock space in the kernel, which can be a problem if there are a very large number of threads. All calls to a run time system procedures are lesser cost than a calls that is implemented as system calls. User server threads have some major problems. It is the problem of how blocking system calls are implemented, since later the threads make the system's calls is unacceptable. It will be stop all the threads. One solution is that the system calls could all be changed to be the non-blocking. Other solution is to tell is advance if call will block. This approach requires requiring parts of the system's call library is insufficient and ingredient, but there is little choice. But a little choice. there are the process and procedure distributed system implementations. The next क्लास में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक्स.